Kia vehicles are inexpensive compared to comparable models from other companies because they have a considerable cost advantage over the rest of the competition. A Kia can last around 200,000 miles, or 13 years, with regular maintenance. However, a vehicle's longevity depends on several factors, including its model year and the owner's driving habits. Kias were once considered some of the most basic, bland cars you could drive. 2023 Kia Stinger. The Kia Stinger delivers a luxury car look and feels at a reasonable price, and it's a blast to drive. But it's not quite as premium as similar models from traditional luxury brands. The Kia Stinger is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the GT2 RWD, which starts at $52,935 and comes with a 3.3 liters V6 turbo engine and rear-wheel drive. This Stinger is estimated to deliver 18 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway. Though Kia isn't a traditional luxury marque, there's a car in its range that's deluxe enough to be credibly positioned against models from BMW and Mercedes-Benz. We're talking about the Stinger, a compact 5-passenger sedan with upmarket accommodations and entertaining handling. As an added plus, the versatile Stinger has more cargo capacity than many cars in its class, thanks to its practical hatchback design. And it pulls this off while costing thousands less than similar cars such as the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4. 2023 Kia K5. The 2023 Kia K5 impresses with its bold design cues and roomy, serene accommodations. But unlike key competitors, it isn't available as a fuel-efficient hybrid. The Kia K5 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 4 trim levels. The most popular style is the GT Line Forward, which starts at $27,585 and comes with a 1.6 liters i4 turbo engine and front-wheel drive. This K5 is estimated to deliver 27 mpg in the city and 37 mpg on the highway. The K5 is the rebranded version of the Kia Optima midsize sedan. With its broad-shouldered stance and chiseled lines, this car looks sportier than competing family sedans such as the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry. The Kia K5 provides solid utility, with more cargo space than the rival Subaru Legacy. All-wheel drive is offered for those facing slick roads. And the K5's cabin is home to an attractive design and spacious accommodations. 2023 Kia EV6. The Kia EV6 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The most popular style is the GT Line RWD, which starts at $53,995 and comes with an electric engine and rear-wheel drive. This EV6 is estimated to deliver 134 mph in the city and 101 mph on the highway. 2023 Kia Rio. Kia's smallest, least expensive model, the Rio is a subcompact sedan and hatchback with a ton of value. It starts under $17,000 and is backed by Kia's 10-year/100,000-mile powertrain warranty, but that's not all. The Rio has surprising refinement, excellent gas mileage, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making the daily commute more manageable. The Kia Rio is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the S Sedan IVT, which starts at $18,285 and comes with a 1.6 liters i4 engine and front-wheel drive. This Rio is estimated to deliver 32 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway. Kia's generous warranty and available hatchback help make the Rio the most practical choice in its class. 2023 Kia Niro F. The 2023 Kia Niro F has a new, more modern look, as well as more interior space and a longer driving range than its predecessor. Although pricier than competitors, it could be a great choice for couples or small families seeking a mild-mannered, conventionally styled crossover EV. The Kia Niro EV is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the Wave, which starts at $45,745 and comes with an electric engine and front-wheel drive. This Niro EV is estimated to deliver 126 mph in the city and 101 mph on the highway. Kia's popular Niro EV gets a less wagon-like exterior and a modern interior in its second-generation remake for 2023. That makes it more eye-catching both on the road and on the showroom floor. A striking feature is the Aeroblade side panel, available in contrasting colors. It improves the Niro's aerodynamics by streaming air through a vent that keeps it from creating drag. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.